everyone, it's Nona Grace, and I'm from Western New York. Today I'm going to show you how I make the lanyard, which is this thing here. I say it wrong in the video and Jim corrects me. And I'm using the wrong kind of string that you're supposed to use. I'm using just cotton string when you shouldn't use cotton. You're supposed to use the nylon string. This nylon, I don't have it here. I do have it here, but I don't have it here. The nylon, I couldn't find my nylon string, but that's what these are made with. And the cotton will be cut by the tabs. Well, let's just go to the video and you can see what I'm showing you. Today I wanted to show you how I make this lanyard. I couldn't find the cord that I want. This is for a guitar, is what this is going to be for. This is crocheted. This is done different. You can see that it's crocheted. But I wanted to find this nylon kind of cord. And all I could find is this cotton kind of cord. So I'm doing one out of the cotton, but this one, it would fray, it would break. And what I've done is I will show you how to start one. I'll have to cut it. And when you're gonna make one of these, depending on how long you want it, you have to measure. You measure the length of this, then multiply it times 2. And then multiply that times 4, and that's how much cording you need. And then you fold the cord in half, which you'll see. I'm just going to make a small amount. I'll make it as long as me, approximately. But it's not. This is way too short. This could be something really small. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to put some tape on the. Don't get too close because it will blur. You put some tape on the ends because you're going to use this to weed through the
like a needle.
Like a needle, yes. Well, I'm going to put these both together actually because they have to be together. This side is together. And now you're going to tape this side because you want this side to be like a needle too. Oh, I forgot again already. And this is the hardest part of this whole thing, is starting it. Let's put those two together.
I don't remember how many of these you tried doing to get it right. Maybe she does get it.
Maybe I go down. I can't remember which direction I go first. Okay, we went down. Now you've got the wrong sides together. And now you've got to come back up through.
Through both?
Through both, yeah, because I'm overlapping them. I hope this is right. I never know. Wait a minute, people. I gotta keep my strings straight. Go up through. Up through. Okay, now it's right. Yes. Yep. Amen. Okay, now you might have to rewind that to see what I did. I don't remember what I did. I'd have to rewind it and look too. Now this one, you take the bottom and the top, and you take the right sides, or wrong sides are together again. Now this time, you're going to go down through. You want to make sure you can see the hole on the, because you're going down both of them. And I like to try to keep my strings flat if I can.
So every other one, the wrong side is in the middle? Well, you have a finished side and you have a rough
finished
side.
I have a finished side and a finished side. They're
So-
both finished.
So the finished sides always go to
Face
the
out.
outside.
And the only way you can know which side is the right side or the wrong side is when you start adding beads. Because right now, either side could be the right side. Unless you want to make the crisscross, which we're not going
Right.
to go into that one. But if you want to put in beads, now say this is the right side because that's the side the beads are on. But now this is the wrong side because the beads aren't on that side.
But the wrong side of the tab, the rough side of
Rough
the tab,
side goes inside.
always goes to the inside.
Always inside. They're facing each other. It's like the wrong side of material. Always facing each other. And if you want to add a bead, I'll put a bead on this one over here. Yeah. Pony beads is the type of beads you use because they're the easy beads to. These are called pony beads. And you
They have
choose
a
your
bigger hole,
yeah,
right?
and you can put the string through it. And then you would put your pop tab. Wrong sides together, bottom on the bottom, top on the top, and thread it through both of them, through that hole that's in the middle. And do the same on this other one. Put it down through. My beads are not going to be, this one's just a pretend one. It's not going to be a real one because this is the wrong kind of string, first of all. Okay.
Demonstrations only.
Yeah. Because this string will ravel. The metal will cut it. Where this string, because it was nylon, it's not going to cut. The purse is crocheted. This you have to know how to crochet. And this, even though there is no backside to this, it's still smooth. There is no roughness. There is no. This is the right side. That's the good side of the tab. This was the bad side of the tab, but for whatever reason, I don't know why it's not rough, but it's not. Only a phone book. And then I found this, like when I showed you the other day, I was making these things. I must have really enjoyed making them, and I even put buttons in some of them, and a round circle on the other end.
A bunch of boxes.
Oh, yeah, I was doing those too. When I went upstairs. I found I was making more boxes too.
I also found other things upstairs when I was looking for the string, and I show you just a little smidgen of it, and then I cut it off because the video was getting too long. Well, have a great night, and I'll talk to you all again tomorrow. Bye.